Good morning, everyone. This is a short video to give you an idea of what is going to happen in Lesson 1, the choice of poetry. Please use this lesson in order to effectively time manage this week. Remember that you want to turn in quality work, not something thrown together on Friday at the last minute. Just a reminder that you should be logging into the system every 24 to 48 hours. And making sure that you are doing the work progressively throughout the week, checking the discussions and responding accordingly. So to get started, by the end of this lesson, you will be able to answer, how do people make decisions and choices? The first thing that you will do is, here is your assignment to review your literary devices. The assignment comes first so you know what you're doing. Make sure you download that before you go into the next portion, which is instruction A. This actually takes you through the lyrics and a video on the An American Draft Dodger, which is a song, and you will be analyzing that in order to prepare for the analysis of two poems. Your note-taking graphic organizer is next for the following instructions. Instruction B takes you through some biography information on Robert Frost and Dorothy Parker. Please be sure to look at both of those because you will be writing something at the end of the lesson. Reading assignment 1 takes you through The Road Not Taken by Robert Frost. You can read it, and I've included the audio as well. Reading assignment 2 is The Choice by Dorothy Parker. Again, you can look at the actual words as well as listen to it read. You will also notice I gave you a resource for meter. There's a YouTube video that will help you if you need to know some information about that as well. After you have actually read and listened to the poems, then you have actual video instruction. The first one is for Dorothy Parker. And at that point, you will want to make sure that you have completed the assignment for Draft Dodger at the top, and this graphic organizer here will be uploaded to your journal like usual. Under your collaborative learning, there are two discussions. The first one talks about goals leading to success and about the truth shall set you free. Make sure that you read the prompts carefully, that you adhere to the deadlines, which is to do your initial post by Wednesday and to do your replies by Friday. Remember, you can't respond to your peers if you don't go back in and look at the replies that they gave to you. Your independent activities, of course, include some vocabulary practice for this particular lesson and a compare and contrast poetry essay assignment. This is what you will be doing in regards to reading and analyzing Frost's The Road Not Taken and Parker's The Choice. Make sure that you are using your literary devices as you analyze. You are not summarizing the poems, you are analyzing them. That means that you are ripping them apart, saying what the author has done. Make sure that you are thinking about theme and what the theme in both of them in order to compare and contrast them. You can also look at tone. So we have tone, we have theme, poetic devices, imagery, diction. Are the poems positive or negative? Again, looking at the compare and contrast of the two of them, and about the decisions and how they are resolved. As far as tone, poetic devices, imagery, and diction, you will actually decide which one of those to include in your short essay. However, you should be focusing on theme, and you should be focusing on the negatives as well as the choices and decisions, since that is the overreaching idea of your lesson. Your journal reflection is a little different this time, and this will be ongoing throughout the lessons. First off, make sure that you upload your graphic organizer from the direct instruction, but then you will have these journal prompts that you can choose from. And this again goes through lessons 1 through 4. So you will have to choose a different one for each lesson. Please make sure that you copy which prompt you are responding to so that as you write below it, I know what you are supposed to be responding. Again, you also want to relate things back to your readings, and some of you have not been doing that. Some of you do it very briefly. So your journal entry should be 3/4 of a page to a page, depending upon how many prompts there are. It should definitely be a page if there's 2 prompts. If there's 1 prompt, it should be half a page to 3/4 of a page. So, take some time and make your entries more quality oriented. And that can only happen if you time manage and don't wait until the last minute. Again, as always, please contact me as you have questions. Earlier in the week helps me to help other students. Stop by the classroom if you have questions or if you need a quiet place to work. You can also work in the library if you need to stay and don't want to be in my room. That's okay too. Find some place to work throughout the week so that you can be productive. All right, I will talk to you all soon.